Okay, Dan, this is a video for you. Just want to give you some ideas about the finish, and as you can see from our brochure, we use only top quality parts and components from quality manufacturers around the world. Just to have a quick look, and for example, if you look at this, we have tables here, support arms with the mink process, and you have rollers also. We have a hand wheel here now. Look at how easy it goes. Moves up and down. We do with fingers. We have, of course, built-in lights. We have, if you look inside here, very nice finish all the way, whatever you look at. Another nice feature is that we have this room for the tooling. But again, look how nice it is. Even the weldings here are nice. And then you have the tool storage also here, and you have more of them down here. Okay, then we move on a little bit around the machine. We look inside also. This one has been used, and it's also from an exhibition, but still look how nice and clean it is. Again, it's a top quality manufacturer to do for us in China. On the other side, let's have a quick little bit distance here so you can see it also. We have our control panel. It's a machinery control panel. Also, if we take up and open out this side, you can see the same. Very clean, very nice. Of course, with the motorized crowning system, standard. Now this machine we have here is with the DLM controller. We have on this one. But our standard is zipper-lick, but you can get it as you like. Also here, if we open up here, the control panel, all nice done. With all electric, well-known components. That's also why we support it with 2 years warranty, because we know how good the quality is. I have a little bit one also here, another one. It's a little bit, but that is the, for example, the Sabotage 15. That's on this one. This is standard. And you see, Anders, can you just stand there? Just take a look at how big it is. How tall are you there, Anders?
I'm 190 centimeters.
190 centimeters. So, but this is another one we have also. Take Anders. Again, the same. This one has not been installed or anything, just for stock at the moment, just unpacked. But again, look how nice it is. Get everything. Hope it has to have interest.